by link from Russia, which is quite interesting. So, okay, I'm going to hand over, I believe, RIPE are going to give us a quick lightning talk. Yeah, and I think sorry, you got away with it earlier. I think you already have your underpants, right? Good.
Well, last night during dinner we got talking about IPv4 transfers in this region, and it was suggested that I throw in a short lightning talk here to make you aware of the current policies and possibilities. So I threw some slides together this morning with the help of my colleagues at home in Amsterdam. They sent me some information, so I hope I got all this right. So that's the so you can transfer all resources within the RIPE NCC region. So IPv4 transfer. So there's no policy on V6 right now. But so IS numbers and IPv4 resources, and there's some statistics about a number of viruses, a number of transfers we've done over the last 3 years. And yeah, actually, I was wrong. There are some IPv6 transfers happening, and a number of AS and AS numbers. So you can clearly see that this is not my area of expertise. My colleagues know much more about this. But there's a very long URL at the bottom, but I think the slides will be uploaded later on, and that actually has all the information on it about transfers and how to do it, and what you need to do, and what the policy is, some forms you can fill in. This is a map that we just published recently on RIPE Labs. One of my colleagues looked at all the transfers over the last year or so. We updated that every few months, and you can see the countries in our service region that are doing the most transfers, IPv4 transfers within the country. So, but that actually means also in the countries, or also from outside the country to another country, from a country to another country. Like for instance, Romania is really big in transferring IPv4 addresses outside the country, whereas say countries in the Middle East are kind of big takers of IPv4, and that has historic reasons too, you know. And then, well, Russia is a large country. They have a lot of members there, and a lot of IPv4 addresses lying around, it seems. So they're also transferring a lot, mostly within the country. There's a labs article on this, so you can look at all the details there. There's a table here that actually shows the top 10 countries. It's from the same RIPE Labs article. You see the top 10 countries there. Finland is not part of that at the moment. But there is whoops. This clicker is kind of challenging. Yes. There are also transfers between regions. So there's a policy in the RIPE NCC region that allows you to transfer addresses from one member to another. Actually, it's also possible to transfer to a non-member, but there has some caveats to it. You want to have like a relation with the organization so that you can make sure the registration is all up to date and so forth. But there are also inter-area transfers. At the moment, they're between APNIC. The following 3 RIRs have inter-area transfers at APNIC, ARIN, and the RIPE NCC. LACNIC and AFNIC don't have inter-area transfers yet, and they also still have a bit of IPv4 addresses left. So since that's been implemented actually quite recently, in September last year, we've seen 51 of those inter-area transfers. I have some statistics next slide. Most of them came into this region, so from the other 2 regions. That's kind of interesting to note. So here are the stats, and what you can see in those circles, it's the number of addresses transferred within the specific region. And on this arrow, you see the numbers that kind of move. You see the number of addresses moving between the regions. You can see, for instance, no addresses have been transferred from the RIPE region into the AP region, whereas vice versa. There are like 15,000 addresses kind of move this way. But so it seems to be quite working well. We had a discussion at the RIPE meeting a couple of weeks ago in Copenhagen, and people kind of tried this. Well, didn't try it, they had the views, to do this. And it seems to work quite well despite all the bureaucracy that you have to go through and making sure, you're really the holder of the addresses, the other, party is really the one who, is purchasing the addresses, or they're the new holder. But apparently it's all working quite well. We also have a website that shows you. You're going to click for me, thanks. We have like it's almost like a clearinghouse where we list the requests that people have and the available addresses that people want to offer. And obviously, as you can see, the number of available addresses is a little lower than the number of requested addresses. So, but still, you can see on that website there that actually I put the same website there again, so you can look that up. Also, what kind of prefixes people have available and what prefixes are people looking for, and that's actually being used quite a lot. And the RIPE NCC does not get involved in the actual transaction, so we don't really know what price you pay, or what prices you get from others, or all the brokers are having the time of their lives at the moment to handling all this for the members. Our main goal is to make sure the registry, the RIPE database, basically is up to date. And that's the main important goal in our involvement in these transfers. So basically, the quality of the RIPE registry is really important. I think that's all I have to say. So I think I'm well within my time. I don't know if there's time for questions, or you can also ask me later.
I think we're going to hand over to Alexia now.